2022 is State Life 50th year anniversary. For the past 50 years, State Life has served Pakistanis within Pakistan and across our overseas diaspora. We thank Pakistanis for placing their trust in State Life for the past 50 years. As we look to the future, through our innovative and digital solutions, we will be protecting and serving your present, and protecting and growing your future for you and your children. I personally look forward to serving Pakistan and Pakistanis together with State Life's family for a stronger and a brighter future. State Life Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.
खिदमत और एतमाद के 50 साल स्टेट लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कॉरपोरेशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान।